All right, guys, here's my LMT. That was kind of a big fail on my little ramps there. I'm going to get right back out and do it again. I've been down for a couple days waiting on parts. I think I was really struggling because one of the rear shocks was bent. You know, the shock shaft was bent, so it was just really hard to drive. And the steering was not the greatest. So I did replace the servo. I'm waiting on a servo saver that'll be here today. I put straps on it. I put Traxxas Maxx Shocks on there just for temporary because I'm also waiting on shafts, a couple new shafts for these, which were very inexpensive. And I don't know, I just like to see how this does with these bigger shocks, you know, because I like to bash and stuff. I don't think I really needed the straps, but I put them on there anyways. Now, just because I'm a crazy, I went ahead and ordered a third cage. And this one's coming off and a pure black one, the proper one. So I guess they do come black, blue, and green if you order directly from Losi. So yeah, I think that's where you find them at. But I'm ready to go, so I'll probably break out the ramp again and get it out there. This thing just bounces all over the place now with these shocks, but we'll see what happens. I'll take it out on the street real quick, and then I'll take it to the backyard and give it a good another bash, and that should conclude this video. All right. Kind of keep forgetting valuable information. I went ahead and shortened the wheelie bar up. I actually cut it off and moved it forward so it just hangs past the back end of the body. That way, because if you don't, you're unable to lift the body up. It ends up hitting in here, and you have to carve the whole body out. And I didn't want to do that. I shoe glued it up a little bit and strengthened up the body, so you know it's in really good shape. Probably hold up quite a while. And I've got a second body, so that one's not as nice looking as this one. It's just kind of dark gray, but maybe I could put some spikes on it or something, make it look cool. It's a monster truck. I could bolt a stuffed animal to it and it'd probably look okay. For a monster truck, who cares? All right, let's get it back out and see what it can do on the ramps. Got a little too anxious and ran without a servo saver and pretty much whacked out my servo. Bummer. I thought I'd show you this just so it might help somebody. What I noticed, I got the BT 2000 module, it's a Spectrum module, and I noticed that if you turn on your radio first and then try to launch the app, it doesn't want to connect. So I just turn the app on first, then I turn on the radio, and then it should connect at that point. So let's just see if it does. Okay, so basically the app will record speed. That's pretty cool. And then the best part about it is the fact that if I don't really know how to get into everything here, but maybe it's in telemetry. Yeah, see, then you could set up your endpoints and everything for your steering and that, and I think you can even set your punch and everything in here. Pretty nice, really. I have the other module for setting up the punch on this, but this is just kind of better. I don't think I'd run it for doing speed tests or anything, but it's kind of a neat little app. Okay, I'm going to bash around the yard a little bit and that'll be it. Nice job, man. Launches off that one.